Welcome to Sarah's Classroom. How are you all? To watch more videos, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon. Now we start the lesson. Two Gentlemen of Verona, written by A.J. Cronin. Here's a story about love, devotion, sacrifice, sincerity, and maturity displayed by two little boys in their action to save the life of their sister who suffers from tuberculosis of the spine. Read the story to find out how their action give a new hope for humanity. As we drove through the foothills of the Alps, two small boys stopped us on the outskirts of Verona. They were selling wild strawberries. Don't buy, warned Louis, our cautious driver. You will get much better fruit in Verona beside these boys. He shuffled his shoulder to convey his disapproval of their shabby appearance. One boy had on a worn jersey and cut-off khaki pants. The other a shortened army tunic gathered in loose folds about his skinny frame. Yet, gazing at the two little figures, with their brown skirts tangled hair and dark earnest eye, we felt ourselves strangely attracted. My companion spoke to boys, discovered that they were brothers. Nicola, the elder, was 13. Jacobo, who barely came up to the door handle of the car, was nearly 12. We brought the biggest basket and then set it off down this shortest form of this lesson. Two Gentlemen of Verona. In the story, Two Gentlemen of Verona, the two orphan boys, Jacobo and Nicola, worked immensely and exhaustively. Nicola was 13 and Jacobo only 12. They were brothers. They shine shoes, sell newspapers, run errands, and show tourists round the city. They take only figs and black tea as food. They save every penny for medical treatment of their sister Lucia, who is suffering from tuberculosis of the spine. The narrator himself admits that their willingness to work impressed him. They demonstrate an unusual devotion to their work. The objective of their hard work and purpose behind their off-starter daily routine is not known to many in Verona. Their devotion, selfless action, and sincerity touched his heart deeply. Their devotion to the cause brought new nobility to human life. They gave a new hope for humanity. The story was written by Archibald Joseph Cronin, 1896 to 1981, was a Scottish novelist, dramatist, and physician. A doctor by training, Cronin was one of the most renowned storytellers of the 20th century. Many of his stories have emerged from his medical career and are noted for their narrative skill, deep social conscience, and finely drawn characters. Cronin's books were not only bestsellers, but some of them, such as The Citadel and The Keys of the Kingdom, were made into successful films and were adapted for radio and television. His novella Country Doctor was adapted for a long-running BBC radio and TV series. The story tells about two boys. Was Nicola the elder was 13, Jacobo was 12. They worked expensively and immensely for to save money to cure the disease tuberculosis of her sister. The story full about these two boys and their sisters.